my channel. In today's video, we will see how to install Node.js in Windows. So for this, here you can type install Node.js, or you can type directly here in a browser http://nodejs.org. See, or you can select like this. This website http://nodejs.org. Let's click on this download node.js. Here is a Windows installer, Mac installer, source code installer. See, and here you can read all these things and you can select. Your system is a Windows, then click on Windows installer. Here is the version, so you can read the version also. Just click here Windows installer. So at that time you will get this file. This file will be on your computer. We need to execute this file. So after completion of download, you will get the one window. See, this file is downloaded. Just click on this file. So you will get this type of setup, Node.js setup window. So this is welcome to the Node.js setup wizard. Just click on next. Then read this agreement in detail. Read all these things, and then after that click on I accept the terms in the license agreement. After that click on the next. Here select where you want to install your Node.js. If you want to install in another directory, click on a change. I want here only. Just click on a next. So here is Node.js runtime. Here configuration already given, that is Node.js. So just keep as it is and click on a next. And after that, here is a tools for native modules. Just click here automatically install the necessary tools and click on the next. And after that, it is ready to install Node.js. Click on the install. So you will able to install the Node.js on your Windows system. You need to wait for a time. So see, after that, here you will get the message, completed the Node.js setup wizard. This Node.js has been successfully installed. Just click on finish to finish your setup. Here you can press enter and you can continue. See, this Node.js wizard is now ready to use. You can use this Node.js wizard. Just close it and you can check this Node.js wizard on your system also. Here you can click and you can check Node.js or select here in apps. Here you can check for the Node.js. Just type it and you can open it and you can use it. How to write a first program in Node.js I will explain in the next session. Thank you.